Good evening. I'm going to cover demonstrate the wedge guard, pivoting in a wedge guard. Okay, and basically this is kind of like the ground defense stuff we were doing with the ground defense. We were keeping that elbow up and pivoting on the ground, but this is actually in the standing position. And what we're going to do is we're going to start from a parallel ready stance, okay, and we're going to kind of open the door, and then get to that wedge guard. And then we're going to pivot. So basically you want your knees bent a little bit. Okay, you're going to start wedge guard. Okay, somebody's going to come at me. I'm going to basically pivot, open the door like we did earlier. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move, I'm going to follow my partner or attacker, like so, shuffle stepping, like so, making sure your elbow is nice and high and your knees are bent. Okay, you want to be nice and stable, just like that. So I'm going to start from the parallel ready stance, and then we're going to open the door, and then we're going to pivot. Okay, so this time we're pivoting while we're standing, just like that. So let me demonstrate that one more time. Pivot. Keep my elbow pointed towards my partner or attacker. Okay, and as he's trying to, my partner's trying to hit me with the blocker, I'm going to swat the blocker out of the way. Okay, like so, just like that. Okay, so this Thompson's going to come in and be my partner. Okay, let's start from a parallel ready stance. Okay, I'm going to say attack. He's going to come at me. I'm going to open the door, and then I'm going to follow him. Okay. Yeah, as he's throwing that blocker at me, I'm going to swat it out of the way, making sure you're retracting that arm. Don't leave the arm out. You're going to swat and bring it back in. Just like that. Let's try it from this side. Okay. Attack. I'm going to open the door, get out of the line of attack, and I'm going to follow him. Keep my elbow pointed towards him. Okay. See that? Swat. Make sure your knees are bent. Just like that. Okay. That's it. Okay, fairly simple skill. We've been doing this for quite a while, so it's a pretty simple skill to do, but it's kind of fun to practice. Continue to practice at home, and we'll continue to cover this in the classes in school too.